In this video, we will enable the get and delete method of the API. Considering we will now get the list of books from the database, the first thing we have to do is to go in Books Reducers and replace the initial array of books with an empty one. We also need to replace the state.books with the action payload because it's the data in the database that will fill the empty array of books. Once we made these changes, we can go to Books action and edit the getBooks function to return a new function that makes a get request through Axios to /books. If the request is fulfilled, we dispatch a getBook action type with response.data as payload. We then catch any error and dispatching a getBooks rejected action type. Let's put the error as payload so to get visibility of the actual error if something goes wrong. But again, you could even put a custom message here. And also for simplicity, I'm not implementing any reducer for the rejection scenario. I let you decide what you want to happen in the reducer if an error occurs. Now, if I save and refresh, you can see that I'm getting the product saved in my database. Let's add a new book to see how it behaves. And you can see that as soon as I post the new book, a new record is visible in the UI. If you want, you can even refresh the browser and the new product will be there permanently. Alright, let's go back to Books action and implement the delete method. In this case, we will be adding the ID as parameter in the path. Then, if the request is fulfilled, we will not pass to reducer the response, but directly the ID. In fact, in this case, the response from MongoDB will be just an OK status. Finally, we then catch any error. And if you save and refresh and try to delete the second record, it should remove it permanently from the database.